Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I proceed in this video tutorial today, uh, I want to apologize for not being uploading new videos to my channel. It's simply because I went on vacation, and so I think for now I'll be uploading more videos constantly. Um, I think I have to extend my greetings to all my followers around the globe. So anywhere you are, so I'm saying thank you all for being part of this uh, tutorial. So you guys have been so amazing. Uh, During the time I've been on vacation, I've been receiving more text from different people, especially my followers, and many comments regarding trading. I must confess I'm really impressed. So let's quickly get into what we have in this tutorial today. Um this video is going to be a unique one because I have to pass some messages to you all so that it will help you in your trading journey. Now, so during the time I've been away, I've not been uploading more videos. So I have been working on so many things. And one of the things I've been working on is, you know, is to build on myself. So my trading, career. So I only wanted to enhance my trading, skill so that I will be able to deliver my best to you all. Now, if you want to be, if you want to take advantage of what I have for you guys, then you really have to play your own part. Then that will help you to be effective in your trading. Now, I have created a platform because YouTube, where I have, as you know, this is my YouTube channel where you can watch some videos. But I have come to understand that, it is very hard for people to ask questions and give them a reply via YouTube comment sections due to the fact that, it is not that convenient, and sometimes many spammers will be posting their ads on my channel, and I have to let you guys know that when somebody says that you should contact him or her, that he's account manager, any message you receive from comment section should be declined. So discard such messages or any post, any ads of whatsoever. So if anything that doesn't come from me should be declined from anyone. So that's for that. And now let me go into one of the information I have to pass to you all today. Now I have my website. I think this is it. I've just created the website, though it's new. I think I have only made one post there. It's quite new for now, but now I'll be uploading more contents to it. So you can go around. It is home a seminar, so that is those who are living in my country. Though when I have one-on-one seminars, then I'll announce it here. So this is contact us page. This is privacy policy, about us disclaimer. So I recommend you check it out and read it yourself. So it's not compulsory anyway. So you can check it yourself after watching this video. Now another thing I have also created for you all is my let not say mine, our Telegram channel, Telegram group rather. So this Telegram group, I specifically created it for every one of you. Now, after this video, I'll make sure I put the Telegram group link in the video description. Now, this is the reason why I created this for you. So, because in this video, I'm not going to place any trade, but in my subsequent videos, I'll be giving you more trades, ideas, and so many other things. But in this video, this today's video, just for me to pass some information to you also. I'm not going to trade in this video. Now, talking about the Telegram group, I have created this group for every one of you. Now, I strongly recommend you join the group because the link will be placed on the video in our description, so that when you join the group, then you'll be able to ask any question that is bothering you. Maybe if you're having any difficulties, in trading. Now, if you ask any question, that will make sure I answer your question. So in a situation whereby the question cannot be and it cannot be answered via text, through text that you in a such way that you'll be able to understand, I will make sure I create a separate video for that, so that you will be able to visualize it and understand everything. So instead of you need to go through the whole bunch of text just to understand what you really need to understand. So this this Telegram group is very important for everyone. If you are my follower, I strongly recommend it. Join the group. It is free, so you don't have to pay anything. You join the group, and if you know anybody, you send the link to your loved ones, your friends who is a binary uh, binary option trader. So you can send the link to them. So then you need to join the group. Now, you have any question, then you'll be able to have contact with me, because I find it difficult to reply my YouTube comment sections. I'm sorry for that. But on this Telegram group, I'll be able to uh, you know to answer any question that anyone asks. So that's it. Another thing I want to let you, even this website, to have app version of it. So the link will be made available in our Telegram group. So it is for your own advantage, or it's for your own benefit, for you to join the Telegram group. So I will place the link uh, in the uh, in the video descriptions, so that you all can get hold of it. So before the next thing I want to move into, because so many people ask me questions that they don't know how to set time frame on IQ options. I'm sorry for that. I think I have made the video regarding that before, but in case maybe you couldn't find the video or the tutorial, let me show you here where you can set your time frame. Now, if you look at this purchase time here now, there is the time you can purchase. So now, if you want to, let's say, if you place your trade now, so it will be going, it will be counting down, so to the expiration time. Now, the problem, let me wait now. For instance, now this is purchase time. The purchase time is when it is 30. So now this is 30 now, 30. So if I now place trade here now, it will take like 1 minute before the expiration. So expires. So the best, if you want to go for like 5 minutes or 4 minutes, so you can come here. You can look. You can see this is my local time here now. This is 11:04. Now the what you simply need to do is to come here. You look at this one now. If we go for this one now, it will be 4 minutes. Yeah, if I want to go for this one, okay, this is three. Okay, almost that length, that's 4 minutes, because it keeps changing. That is 4 minutes. So if I want to go for 5 minutes time frame, I can also go for it. So 4:45, that's 5 minutes. Now if you want to go for 1 minute, the same thing, you can go for it. Now there are some currency, like if you sometimes, like this NZ, New Zealand dollar versus USD. In most cases, you see that it doesn't have smaller time frame, so it is better you you check it when you select the currency, just to make sure you can select your preferred time frame. I mean expiration time before you place your trade. So if you see any currency that doesn't have, if you see any currency pair that doesn't have your specific, your preferred time, what do I call it? Expiration time, then you can skip it and go for the other ones that have it. Now, another thing I want to clear here is that some people say that they don't have their IQ option account doesn't have binary options or whatsoever. Now, let me explain it here. Now, if you are on any currency like this, let's go use this one as an example. Now, just click on this drop down. That is if you are on PC. On mobile phone, I think it's a little bit different, but I'll make sure I use a mobile phone to make a video about it so that you can see it how it looks like on mobile devices. Now, if you go for this one now, you just click, if let's, for instance, you go for this, you can use any of these currency pair, any tab that you have opened. Now, like for instance, this one now, if you go for this, click on this currency. Now you see options, binary option, digital. So don't go for digital. Digital is quite different, like even if it's digital option, don't go for it. Option or binary options is different from digital option, forex, and many other things. Now, in case yours doesn't have binary, it could be, there are so many factors that could be responsible for that. It's either you are from a European country. If you are from European country, there's no way you will see. I don't think because like European countries have banned binary option trading. I think so. If you don't have it, it's either your country doesn't accept binary option trading. So maybe in that case, maybe you can go, if you have digital, you can, maybe digital option, you can go for it now. But I don't, that is if you know how to trade digital, so it looks similar anyway. Now, or you go for forex, that is if you know how to trade in forex market. Now, that's all I can say about selecting selecting your binary options or digital. So if you don't see it like this, it means your IQ option account type doesn't support binary options. So I'm sorry for that. So I think the problem is from your country, so not from anyone else. Now, another information I want to pass to every one of you is this. I think this should be the last one. Is I want everyone to buckle up so that this year, this is January, from this January till the end of this year, I'll make sure I concentrate on binary option tutorial. So this time it's not like other time. This time I will be uploading video frequently, at least minimum of 3 times in a week. Now, the reason is that I will want to make sure we cover everything we need to cover regarding binary options trading. Then by next year, so I'll be moving into forex trading. So that one is more complex. The reason why I don't want to mix everything up is that if you have a little bit, if you have binary option trading knowledge or skill, then you'll be able to understand forex trading by the time the tutorial starts. By the time we start the tutorial, we'll be able to understand it. But in a situation whereby you don't even know anything about binary options, or you know less about binary option trading, then you find it very difficult to understand forex. So it's very complex. I mean forex. So you have to understand your binary option trading now. Then you move to forex trading. We are moving to forex trading next year. This is because most of you who are living in European countries that don't accept binary option trading, then you'll be able to trade in forex market, because anywhere around the globe forex is accepted. but some countries don't accept binary options trading. I'm still reading, studying. Sometimes, despite the fact that I make videos for you guys to watch, I also watch other traders' video because no knowledge is a waste. So you gather knowledge from different people, then it will make you it will shaping your trading skill. So, but if you don't know, if you think you can just read, read some books, watch some video within 2 weeks or within 1 month and start making money on binary options, I'm sorry to say you're going to lose your money. That's just it. Now, if I ask you, maybe if, where you in some countries, if you want to study a course in any university, you are required to spend like 4 years. I think minimum will be 2 years. And in this time, during this period, you'll be, there are some books that you are required to read and finish them and have understanding of it before you pass the exam. So that's it. Now, if you spend 4 years in the university, you spend 4 years in university just for a particular course, and you think when it comes to binary options trading or forex trading, you can just study within 1 month or maybe a few months and become a successful trader. It is not possible and it's not going to happen. So you have to see trading as a business. If you see trading as a business, then your mindset will tell you that, okay, as it is now, I have to go and learn how to be successful in this business, because you can't be effective in any business without adequate knowledge about the business. So this is very important. So I think I am stopping this video here. So lest I forget, don't forget to join the group in our channel Telegram group. Join our Telegram group via the link I placed on the video description, so that you'll be asking questions that you want to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have never done so before. So one of the mistakes many people are doing is that you watch you watch video, watch my YouTube videos. If you don't subscribe, when next I upload new videos, you will not be able to, you know that a new video has been uploaded. That is why you have to subscribe. Then when you subscribe to a channel, you are telling YouTube that, okay, when next this person uploads a new video, please send me notification. So that's the reason why you need to subscribe to a YouTube channel, so that you have to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be notified as I will be continue uploading new videos to this uh, channel. So I think that's all I have to say. See, please, if you like this video, give it a thumb up, and if you don't like, you can give it a thumb down. So no problem with that. So once again, thank you all for being with us all this while, and I wish you all successful trading. Bye bye.